Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Kasi YouTube channel. The establishment of the Nehru Zoological Park in Hyderabad stands as testament to India's post-independence vision of combining wildlife conservation with public scientific education. Formally initiated under the government order GO number 247 on October 26, 1959, the institution was envisioned as a sanctuary that would transcend the traditional limitations of colonial era manageries. Spanning an expansive 380 acres of diverse terrain, the park was officially inaugurated and opened to the public on October 6, 1963. Named after the first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, the park was designed to serve as a primary center for the study of fauna diversity and the preservation of endangered species within a semi-neutralistic environment. Over the subsequent decades, it has evolved into one of the largest and most ecological significant zoological parks in the Indian subcontinent, currently managed by the Telangana Forest Department. Zoological Park is situated in Bahadurpura, a location that offers a unique interaction of urban accessibility and ecological richness. The park's 380-acre footprint is augmented by its adjacent to the 600 acres Mir Alam tank. This historic reservoir, characterized by its unique multiple arch band, serves as more than just a scenic backdrop. It is a critical hydrological and ecological component of zoo ecosystem. The tank attracts hundreds of migratory birds, effectively turning the zoo and its surrounding into a vital corridor for seasonal avoid movement. Zoological collection at Nehru Zoological Park is comprehensive, encompassing mammals, birds, and reptiles from across the globe. The institution emphasizes the housing of indigenous species such as the Indian rhinoceros, Asiatic lion, Bengal tiger, gaur, and Indian elephant. However, through its active participation in the Central Zoo Authority Animal Exchange Program, it also hosts exotic species like the African lion, jaguar, and various primates from Africa and South America. The mammalian collection is a primary draw from a park visitors. The management of large mammals or herbivores requires vast enclosure that mimic the spraggling savages and forests of their origins. Elephant camp and the mega herbivore zone are central to the effort, housing species like the Indian one-horned rhinoceros, Asian elephant, giraffe, and hippopotamus. The carnivorous corner and canine complex represents high security zones that manage the biological needs of apex predators. The park is notable for its successful breeding of Royal Bengal tigers, including both the stand yellow and receive white variants. The presence of both Asiatic and African lions highlights the zoo role in maintaining genetic diversity within captive populations of these closely related but geographically distant big cats. The primary park is another area of significant diversity featuring complex social species like the Campaghan, Madril, and lion-tailed macaque. These enclosures are designed with environment enrichment to stimulate neutral climbing and foreign behaviors. The Hawaiian collection at the zoo is one of the most diverse in the region, featuring species from Asia, Australia, Africa, and America. The specialized aviary, upgraded in 2021 with glass barrier, houses a vast array of parrots, macaques, and hornbills. The aquatic Hawaiian species are concentrated around the duck pond and rated zone, where flamingos, pelicans, and storks coexist with large flightless birds like ostrich and emu. The reptile row provides a comprehensive look at herpetological diversity, featuring venomous and non-venomous snakes such as the king cobra, Indian rocky python, and various vipers. This zone also manages ancient colonial species, including the Galapagos tortoise and Indian star tortoise. The zoo's success in breeding species like the star tortoise has allowed it to act as a donor for other zoological parks. Behind traditional animal viewing, the Nehru Zoological Park incorporates several specialized facilities designed to enhance public understanding of evolutionary biology and ecology. The Natural Animal House is a unique facility where the biological clocks of the inhabitants are revised. By using specialized lighting and the animals are active during the day of public observation. This exhibit includes elusive species such as a slow loris, honey badger, and various ovals. This facility is critical for educating the public about the biological niche of night active creators that are really seven in the world. Zoo features a Jurassic Park area which utilizes life-size models of prehistoric gains like the Brontosaurus and Tyrannosaurus to provide a context for the evolution of modern species. Complementing this historical perspective in the Butterfly Park, established in 1990 as India's first open butterfly sanctuary. This park focuses on the life cycles of Lepidoptera and the botanical diversity required for their survival, serving as a vital classroom for local ecology, interactive attractions, and transit. To facilitate the exploring of its 380 acres, the park offers several internal transit options. These include a toy train, a road train, and battery operated vehicles. These services are not merely for convenience by and battery operated vehicles. These services are not merely for conservation. They make the vast park accessible to elderly visitors and families with young children, ensuring that the educational messages of zoo reaches boarding democratic. The Nehru Zoological Park operates a high volume public institution requiring methodological planning for visitor flow and animal husbandry. The park is open to the public from 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. with ticket counter closing at 4 p.m. Notably, the zoo is closed every Monday for maintenance and to provide the animals with a period of rest from public interaction. Zoo receives a high volume of visitors throughout the year with significant spikes during significant months and weekly cycles. Saturday, Sunday, and public holidays are the busiest days. Seasonally, the visitors peaks in the January, April, May, and December. This peaks period coincides with school holidays and cooler weather, placing a high demand on the park's infrastructure, particularly the safari buses and battery operated vehicles. In March 2025, the government implemented a revised tariff structure to ensure the financial sustainability of the parks, conservation and maintenance programs. The entry fee is differentiated by age, and there are additional charges for specific attraction and equipment. The park has transited toward a digital first approach for ticketing. Visitor can book tickets via the official website or mobile application, which is essential even that certain attractions such as the safari and BOV rides have strict daily quotes and booking cutoff 3:30. The to maintain a safe environment for both humans and animals. The park enforces several strict rules. Feeding the animals is strict prohibited and visitors are avoided to wear comfortable walking shoes due to the extensive size of the fur. The use of plastic is discouraged and the zoo maintenance several food courts and daily parlors to cater to the needs of the public within the premises. One of the most critical roles of the Nehru Zoological Park is its contribution to the global network of wild conservation. Through the Central Zoo Authority's Animal Exchange Program, the zoo manages in public population levels and genetic diversity. For example, the zoo recently received three not a rare species including African lions from Saudi Arabia, giraffes, and yellow anacondas. In return, it has acted as a donor for 268 animals, including its successfully bred mouse deer, white tigers, and star tortoise. This exchange program is population and ensuring that endangered species have a diverse genetic reservoir. The park's success in breeding species like white tiger and the Aztec lion demonstration its proficiency in veterinary care and animal husbandry. The veterinary unit monitors the health of the 1500 animals, managing everything from basic nutrition to complex medical procedure and pandemic conversation within the animal population. As the neurological was moved towards focusing